Tower, this is Reaper 1, requesting clearance for taxi and takeoff. Reaper 1, you are cleared for taxi. Hold short of the active. Copy that, Tower. Holding short of the active.
I'm getting something large. Coordinates are solid. Stay focused. Regulator engaged. Comm check 1, 2. Entering the dark lake now.
Cable secured. Ready to lift.
Cable tension good. Lower slowly. Copy. Lowering. Just a little more. Proceeding as planned. Send the hoist. Deploy the nets now. Proceed to grid coordinates Alpha 7. Understood. Nets deploying.
Cable tension nominal. Initiating lift.
Structure holding. Monitor pressure.
Mud plume expanding. Altitude increasing slowly. Main cables tension. Lift initiated. Pressure check. The fuselage is breaking free. Confirmed. Massive sediment release. Maintaining position. The cables are holding. Slow, steady ascent. Keep the beam on the fuselage. Copy that. Monitoring stability. We're clear of the seafloor.
Keep it steady, we're almost there. Confirmed, maintaining lift. The wing is clear. Watch the cables, don't drop it now.
Keep it steady. Water's still coming.
Maintain heading, torque nominal.
Roger, copy that.
Hold steady, lowering to the crane. Slow, slow, watch the clearance. Setting it down, good. Cable secure. Check the right side. Right side clear. Proceed with the lift. Hold it, just a little more. Okay, settling now. Chains are secure. Let's get moving. Langsam, langsam. Richtiger Kurs, weiter. Verstanden, fährt ein.
For instance, the stress test looks good. The fuselage appears stable.
Confirming readings on the load sensors.
Noticing severe corrosion.
Extensive corrosion here, significant water leakage at the wing root. Copy that, making a note. And severe structural damage to the nose cone.
Extensive corrosion here. Looks like battle damage to the intake. Check the notes. The panels are mostly gone. Need to document the exposed structure carefully.
Okay, tail section looking unstable.
Got it.
Mark this whole line here. Potential fuselage damage extending up to midsection. All right, these are really stuck. Careful. We need that panel intact. Just a few more turns.
I've found some structural stress here. Looks like galvanic corrosion. Notice the peeling paint.
Hydraulics look solid. Now to check the wheel spin. Yep, smooth as glass. Moving on to the fuselage.
Keep it steady. Up a little more. Looks good. Right there. All right, this avionics panel fits perfectly. Securing it now. Nice work. Ready for the diagnostic check.
Power to life. Instrument check. Initiate startup sequence. Cable checked, connection secure. Test sequence initialized. Standby for spool up. Systems nominal. Engaging start sequence.
Engaging test sequence.
Systems check. All green.
Initiating spool up.
Prepare for full thrust.
Tower, this is Reaper 1, requesting clearance for taxi and takeoff. Reaper 1, you are cleared for taxi, hold short of the active. Copy that, Tower, holding short of the active.